Hello students, today we are going to study about the new topic that is called as adjective clause. Let's talk about what is adjective clause. Adjective clause are actually dependent, they are called as dependent clause that gives information about the nouns. They allow you to combine two sentences into one by using relative pronouns. Now, what are relative pronouns? It is also called as subordinating conjunctions. They are who, whom, whose, where, when, which, that, and why, as they are also called as connectors, who is actually used for people as subjects. Let's begin with the example. The person who lives next door is a famous businessman. Children, look at this sentence. Person becomes the noun here and who is a subordinator. Our subordinating clause will always start with the subordinating conjunction. Now, who is a subordinating conjunction? So, let's begin with a subordinating clause, that is, who lives next door. This becomes our subordinating clause. Let's take another example. The man whose daughter you have kidnapped is a gangster. Now, man becomes the noun here, correct? After that, what is our subordinating conjunction here in this sentence? That is whose. Now, whose, from there we are going to start with our subordinating clause. So, we'll say whose daughter you have kidnapped. This becomes our subordinating clause. This means that it is an adjective clause because, children, it is describing about the noun, that is the man. Now, let's talk about how do we identify the adjective clause. Children, whenever you are supposed to identify the adjective clause, you are supposed to ask the question to the main clause, that is, which one or what kind of. Let's take an example for it. The man who lives next door to me is a doctor. Now, let's see. What is the noun here? That is the man, correct? Fine. Now, what is our adjective clause here? I told you, children, that whenever we are supposed to identify the subordinating clause, you are supposed to first see to the subordinating conjunction. So, what is our subordinating conjunction here? That is who. Exactly. Let's begin with our subordinating clause here, that is who lives next door to me, correct? Yes. Now let's identify the adjective clause here. How do we identify? Let's ask the question to the clause, that is which man we are talking about. We are talking about the one who lives next door. Yes, children. So here it is. We got the answer from the subordinating clause. So that means it is an adjective clause. Whenever we get the answer from the question, that means it tells you that yes, it is an adjective clause. Thank you so much, children. Bye.